Introducing Megumin Lightyear.
Greatest superhero now, the world's greatest toy! Pulsating laser light! Multi-ray voice simulator!
Hey, so Taco Tim's again. Today I'm going to review and unbox Megumin. Well, 82% of you guys said yes to this figurine, so let me unbox him. Okay, first of all, I'm a huge Konosuba fan, and I think Megumin is best girl there. Okay, let me just pull this out. Okay, inside the packaging you can see tightly packed Megumin. And this figurine is pretty good. You call this Figma, and you can move their hands, and you can basically do anything with them. The build quality is of course good because I paid 80 bucks. 80 bucks for this. So, well, overall you get Megumin, Megumin's hat, Megumin's cat, Megumin's hair, spare face, and wand, and many other things such as manual. And you get one of these bags for storing any accessories or extra face. Overall it's pretty good. I give solid 10 out of 10 for Megumin because she's my waifu. Yeah, a bit of favoritism there, but yeah. Well, big thanks for 300 subscribers. I'll see you guys in Underculture.